Hello, I'm Long. Me, Redz and Inspektur are in the Peach's castle inside right now. So what are we gonna do today? Please answer me right now.
I think you can make a pizza with Inspektur right now. We are starving right now.
Same here. We are so starving right now. You can make a pizza for us to eat. Please do it right now.
Wow, sounds good to me. Redz and Inspektur, I will do it myself for making a delicious pizza. In the meantime, you two can watch TV in the living room. I will make the pizza right away.
Good luck to making the pizza for us to eat. Long.
We are really wishes you for a best of luck, Long.
Alright, I will start making the pizza right now. First, make the pizza dough, add some ingredients on it, and ready to put the pizza in the oven for a few minutes. Wait for it. And then I'm done cooking pizza. There, I did it. The pizza is finished. Everyone will like my pizza very much. And that will be delicious. Redz and Inspektur, the pizza is finished. Come here right now.
You're done making pizza? Wow, the pizza is very good. Me and Inspektur are like the pizza very much.
I agree with my son. Redz, we are like your pizza very much. We can't wait to eat the pizza in here.
Since we are having a dinner, it's time for us to eat. Let's do it.
Wow, that was the delicious pizza we have ever tasted. We can get more pizza soon.
Thanks for making the pizza for us to eat, Long. Pizza is so good for us to eat. You are the best.
You're welcome, you two. I can make more pizza for you two to eat next time. Since we are finished eating pizza, let's end this video in here right now. Goodbye.